How to quickly reset the iPhone keyboard dictionary? Let's go, everyone. For this, tap here on Settings. On this page, go to the General option and tap on General. After tapping, you'll be redirected. Here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap this last option, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap it. Notice that below there are two options. You're going to tap the first one, Reset, tap it. And here, folks, as you can see, there's an option to reset your iPhone's keyboard dictionary. When you tap here and enter your password, what will happen? All the words your iPhone has learned over time will be erased. Autocorrection suggestions as well. Basically, by tapping here, the keyboard will go back to only suggesting the default Apple words, okay? So if you want to reset, you tap here on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. I'm going to tap it. Now enter your password. I'm going to enter mine. Done. They'll ask you to enter your screen time passcode here. I'm going to enter mine. Done. And then they'll give you the option here to reset the dictionary. As you can see, this will make the keyboard dictionary return to its factory settings, okay? I'm going to tap here to reset, and by entering it here, basically you'll have reset it. I'm going to enter my password here, and that's it, guys. I've just reset the iPhone keyboard dictionary.